Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to quickly find out screenshot folder on Google Photos app. So when you open the Google Photos app, so it will mix up your all images. As you can see guys, you don't get any particular screenshot folder here in the home screen. To view the screenshot folders particularly, here in the bottom right side corner of your screen, just tap on library like this and swipe your screen, and here you can get your all folders, different categories. As you can see guys, from here you can get the screenshots. Just tap on it. Okay, in this folder you can get your phone's all screenshot, as you can see guys. Okay, so this is the first method. So one more method you can try. In the Google Photos, tap on search button like this and then scroll down. Here you can get the option screenshot. Just tap on it. So here you can also able to see your all screenshots, as you can see guys. Okay, so this is the easy and quick method to find out the screenshots on your Google Photos. So that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.